We are about to take the elites out for a quick spin. We're going to go to Bob's BMW. He's riding the 2006 Elite 80. I'm riding the 110. It's kind of a nice test because they're essentially the same bike, but this one's much more modern with fuel injection. This way, eventually we're going to go left. Alright, so we are en route to Bob's BMW because my friend is kind of like a BMW aficionado, and we're going to show off our bikes to Bob's BMW. I know they're going to be impressed with our sub $1,000 motorcycles. These are considered motorcycles. They're scooters. They're in scooter forms, but they are motorcycles. You can see that bike is much narrower than this. And of course, that Elite 80 has smaller wheels and thinner wheels, but it's also a smaller profile. Oh, I gotta tell him to slow down. There's a speed camera. Because there's a couple of speed cameras here that I don't want to get nabbed. Because we are actually exceeding the limit, not much. I don't like to ride side by side most of the time. Perfect City Explorer are tiny little scooters, so they have a stop sign.
You know what? One of my biggest surprises about this scooter is that it was made from approximately 85 to 06 or 07, and there was no aftermarket support for it. There are no go-fast parts. Really shocking that there are very few aftermarket exhausts made. There are really no engine modifications, big bore kits. There's like nothing available.
Whoa. So this is Savage, Maryland. It's kind of cool. It's a nice little bridge here. It's kind of neat here. Alright, we're gonna make a right here. Kind of cool to live in a place named Savage, right? I don't know, I'd be proud of that. I live in Savage, Maryland. We are approaching Bob's BMW. We just have to cross over Route 1, and then it's like 2 more miles. I did take the long way because on a scooter, you don't want to be on the highway. Look at this. These are brand new apartments or condos or whatever here. I made it to Bob's BMW. Hopefully it's open. Parking guide. Motorcycles and cars. Okay, perfect. Look at this. We're going to park right over here. Right over here. This is going to be my parking spot. I can park here. Oh, this is reserved. That's for like demos. What is he doing? Oh, alright. He's such an elitist.
What?
You're such an elitist.
So I've never seen this. Yeah, I'm gonna sit. 1800 R18. That's right. That's a plus. So this is the 1800cc Boxer. This is our 2 awesome scooters. So this is the service. Oh, look at this police officer. This one's pretty rare. I have never seen one of these. I've seen the CS. Very rare. Yeah, very rare. So it's a belt-driven Rotax engine.
Have you seen one of these for sale on ADV ride?
No, they're really rare. They didn't do too well because look at that. So I just discovered this. It is leaking, and I think it's from that bolt here. So we are gonna have to like take this thing home. All right, we are gonna head back because that scooter is leaking, and that's not a good idea, and it's starting to rain. So let's get out of here. Unfortunately, that's such a terrible timing. Now, lots of bikes here to do service. That's kind of frightening. No customers beyond this point. But if you look that way, lots of bikes. This is why BMW does well. It's their service department that is servicing all of this stuff. So I think the issue of that bolt, it's that the crush washer needs to be renewed. That's the only way. But when I was changing that oil, that one bolt was such a pain in the ass to get in and out. So what a horrible design by Honda. They just made it difficult for no reason. They could have just like made the engine just a little bit flatter, and then you could actually get a wrench around it, but we need like a very thin wrench. It just makes no sense to do that. And we now are on Route 1. It's sprinkling and we're heading back to the house because we got to get this fixed. Where's he going? Hi guys, I'll keep you guys updated on the Honda Elite. We're gonna go home, we're gonna look over the bike and see why she's leaking. We figured it out. We had to change the oil again in the rear drive, but the bolt was not tight enough. So we're gonna go to another dealership and we're gonna ride around.
I'm gonna need gas soon.
Yeah, we'll
A Sheetz gas station, a Sheetz. I like Sheetz.
Okay, not here.
No Sheetz?
There's no Sheetz here.
What about Wawa's okay?
It's far away.
What
So
about Sam's Club?
that's far away. So we don't have that much choice here. Let's see.
A friendly gas station. A friendly gas station.
Okay, we'll just go this way.
I mean, do you need gas?
I need gas. Actually, I'm on the
Where
red.
do you go normally?
Anywhere. I don't pick. It's just gas. Yeah.
No Sheetz, no Wawa.
Yeah. Wow, he's picky about gas. I'm like, who cares? Just gas. You just fill it up and go. It's kind of a pain in the ass to fill up when it's on the floor. It was 1 gallon. 1 gallon. It was actually pretty low. Better not be closed. Masks optional. Yamaha. 50-something pounds. Yeah, I got a little bit more horsepower on them. Do a 0 to 60. When this turns green, we're gonna take off like bats out of hell. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. I totally won. When it turns green, we're gonna take off to see which one is faster. You ready? Yeah. It's slightly uphill. You ready?
Yeah.
When it turns green. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh man, I won big time. He is like so far back. Man, this bike is, by the way, this is the kind of stuff you can do on a scooter. You can race people and nobody knows you're racing because scooters are slow, but you still have fun. Let's get out of here. Oh, it's starting to drizzle. Yeah, you know, whoa, look at this guy. This guy did not see me at all. Man, this guy's blind. He's like driving a van for the blind. I think that guy might be blind.
The guy's such an idiot.
Yeah.
You didn't have to do that.
I don't think he saw me. I think these things are so tiny.
Oh, it's a woman with a mask on.
Does he have a mask?
She has a tin diaper on.
Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. What the hell is this guy doing? Why is this guy going so slow? 20 miles an hour? Like, did you forget that you're in traffic?
Can't be too careful. A lot of bad drivers out there.
Kind of stuck here. The cops won't bother me.